Droopy cheeks, over time, if we relax the cheeks too much, they have a tendency to start to sag along the chin here and drop. So we want to constantly be communicating to the body to sense the muscle contraction and softening, and practice lifting, so over time it counterbalances some of the softening. So we'll use the upper cheek muscle, middle cheek muscle, and then the lower cheek muscle, and then combine them together on both sides so we can establish conscious fine-tuning of the motor networks here, and also stimulate the bone structure with the movement, because the muscles can actually lift the bone up as well. Check in with nearby muscle groups: lower eyelid, eyebrow, ear, and upper cheek. Inhale, press, lift. Exhale, soften. Check in with the surrounding muscles: lower eyelid, brow, ear, upper cheek. Inhale, plant, lift. Exhale, soften. Check in with surrounding muscles: brow, eyelid, ear, upper cheek. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Check in with the surrounding muscles: brow, ear, lower eyelid, upper cheek. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Check in with surrounding muscles: brow, lower eyelid, ear, upper cheek, and middle cheek. Inhale, press and lift. Exhale, soften. Check in with surrounding muscles: brow, lid, ear, upper cheek, middle cheek. Inhale, plant, lift. Exhale, soften. Check in with surrounding muscles: brow, lid, ear, upper cheek, middle cheek. Inhale, plant, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, plant, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, plant, lift. Exhale, soften. Brow, lid, ear, upper cheek, middle cheek, lower cheek. Inhale, plant, lift, exhale, soften. Brow, lid, upper cheek, ear, middle cheek, lower cheek. Inhale, plant, lift, exhale, soften. Inhale, lift, exhale, soften. Inhale, lift, exhale, soften. As you inhale, lightly lift the right side muscle of the nose. As you exhale, soften. Inhale, left side. Exhale, soften. Inhale, lift the right. Exhale, soften. Inhale, left. Exhale, soften. Upper, middle, lower. Coordinating with the breath. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale. Exhale. First directions. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Lightly press the lips together. As you exhale, blow. Exhale. Inhale, wave up the spine. Exhale. Soften. Inhale, lift both your lips and try to touch the nose. Inhale, lift. Inhale, wave up the spine. Ignite the face, lift the lips. Exhale, smile. Inhale, plant the fingers on the neck. As you inhale, lift the fingers lightly across the skin. Exhale, softly down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, lift. Exhale, soften. Inhale, pointing fingers on the inside, lightly press against the bone. As you inhale, roll the fingers across the brow to the temple. As you exhale, back to the center. Add another finger. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Inhale, lift. Exhale. And then go for the whole face. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Large inhale, wave through the spine. So we breathe from the tailbone to the chest. Lift the wave of breath through the neck, through the face, activating the nerves in the face, through the eyes, forehead, top of the head. And as you exhale, visualize the muscles relaxing in the forehead, the brows, the face, light smile on the lips, soften the jaw, neck muscles, shoulder, chest, and follow the breath into the tailbone. Ending with symmetric eyebrows, light smile,